Allegroupe is a CRM, standing for Client Relation Manager, dedicated exclusively to Group Benefit Advisor. A CRM is a database to allow the advisor to be able to manage all the information in regard with their client, and most specifically, business relating to group benefit management. Three levels of powers are available to Allegroupe user. The Superlight, which will include all the basic information required, that is, allowing you to manage the employee, the employers, the list of contract, the division, the classes, and all that information that needs to be kept within your database. So the Superlight will allow you to manage all of those information. When we move up to the light version, we add the employer-employee contribution feature. This feature allows Allegroupe to take care of optimizing what is paid by the employer and what is paid by the employee. So for instance, if the employer decides to pay 50% of the premium, the Allegroupe system will not simply split it right in the middle, but will ensure that we take the amount of dollar that is paid by the employer and apply it to the right benefit so as to ensure that the employee will be taxed as little as possible as far as the income tax is concerned. And we will also make sure that we do not pay a penny on the taxable or non-taxable disability coverage. This added feature will become a value-added service that you can now provide your clientele. With the Elite, we move up to 20 different products or benefits that are handled through the Elite. Furthermore, c-surance will manage all the carrier standard plans through templates. So these templates will automatically be managed and be made available online so that the users will be able to simply drag and drop the various benefit plans from the various carrier. Furthermore, we'll keep track of every single event, which means that any changes to a contract will be saved into memory, into the system. As well, any changes on the employee's benefit structure will be saved in memory. So therefore, you will be able to review all information regarding changes of contract, changes of employee in the admin functionality. In the Superlight and the Light version, we manage 8 different benefits. We've got the life for dependent, ADD, extended healthcare, drug, dental, as well as the short-term and long-term disability. When we move up to the Elite version, then over and above the life and life for dependent, for example, we will add the optional life and optional life for dependent. We will also add to the ADD for dependent, as well as the optional ADD for both the insured and the dependent. We will then move up and add the vision care, as well as employee assistance program. As we can see, we've got 2 different employee assistance programs. One it is insured, the second one not insured, simply because of the fact that we've got different tax rules that manage both those benefits. And obviously, with the c-surance system, we handle all the tax situations. So therefore, we will ensure, again, proper tax payment and as well the proper employee contribution and taxable version. We will also cover the travel assistance, critical illness for all of the family member if that is needed. The operation of c-surance Allegroupe includes all the buying and selling of insurance. So the buying and selling of insurance, of course, is the process of market survey. And then we've got the administration services that needs to be handled. And obviously, as we are able to see, the information will flow automatically from buying and selling into administration. And when we need to go back to market, we, of course, will allow the information to flow right back into the sales process to be able to go back to market. The Allegroupe allows you to pick and choose buy and sell. Therefore, you can pick and choose the sales tools, or you could pick and choose the admin tools, or you could pick both. What is exciting is, of course, the fact that you never have to re-enter any piece of information. It is always through a single input. Therefore, if you start the process with the buying and selling process, you will automatically convert all that information into the admin. Therefore, you will be able to do admin activities once the information has been transferred from sales to admin without having to input any information that was already inputted. Furthermore, should you decide to do some billing activities, obviously, again, all the information will be there for you and ready to be managed through the system.